Alright guys, before I head out, I am going to be unboxing this Ninja blender because I had to replace my other blenders I had because it broke the plastic seal. And but before, check out the video of me just straightening up my son's room. That video out there. Also, you could see my area that I changed out this weekend. All my purse is there. Still working on the living room. Got some mixed match pieces over there because my son didn't want me to get rid of his blue sofa. So this I'm gonna have to change out because I just don't care for this in here anymore. But waiting on a piece of white carpet to come in and then we'll see. This sofa did not turn out to be comfortable, so I'll change it out. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing of this Ninja, and hopefully my camera will stay put. Let me go get a knife. Whoops. Okay, let me shift some things around here. That way I can just have enough space up here to do it. Yeah, so, because I need to blend, I've got some yogurt in the refrigerator and I don't like to keep it in there too long. Once I buy my yogurt, I like to finish it all gone in the same week. It's like eggs. For me, at least. Okay, so let me put this now down here since I've opened it up. And, so you've got this is the Nutri Ninja. So let's open up the stuff. It comes with all this deliciousness in this book. It's got all kind of recipes in this book. And this is not sponsored. I just purchased this for myself. And I do a lot. Ooh, I like that one. I'm going to have to do this one today. This one is called a Citrus Splash. And I think I showed you, yeah, that stuff I got from GNC, all those powdered stuff. So yeah, going to get that done. That looks good, right? When I'm making it, I'll videotape it and stuff. You can even, I don't do all this stuff in that blender, but if you wanted to do a lot of blending of stuff, well, that one looks really good. That one is called a pineapple cilantro dipping sauce. Interesting, dipping sauce. So yeah, guide to delicious goodness. Got the watermelon. Looks like this is a watermelon cooler. So, and they've got the green stuff. Oh, look at this. You're making me bananas. Got some kind of lime and coconut stuff. That looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, so that comes with that. And then of course, let's see, it comes with these cups. Nice cover to it. I might as well take these off because I do plan on using this. It's got two covers. Two covers, interesting. There's a large cup. And this is the blending one. It's huge. This is good. Let's see. So Yeah, this one doesn't have that ring that I was telling you that that broke off. I don't know if it's in here, but and this is it. So I got it in silver and black because my stove is silver and black, so that matches that. I got my daughter one 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, and it's still working. It's pink, like a really fuchsia pink. But yeah, here it is. And I cannot wait to wash this out. And you know what? I'm gonna make me a smoothie right after this. It's gonna be I don't know, just watch out for that video. I'm supposed to be going out. Do I really want to make a smoothie right now? Probably make it and take it with me. That's what I'm going to do. I'll make just enough to take it with me. Alright, so I'll put this out on the counter because I will be using this book. All this goodness. Okay. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my new Nutri Ninja blender. It's gonna be hot summer. Gonna be in summer coming up. We need stuff to keep us cooled off, right? Alright guys, take care. Bye-bye. Have a fantastic, fantastic Monday.